How to fix can't delete Safari history on your iPhone. So if you're trying to delete your history and the button is either grayed out or not working, then I'm going to show you two ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you'll need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone, and then you'll need to scroll down this page until you see an option for screen time and click on this. Now scroll down again and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And you need to make sure that content and privacy restrictions are turned off and disabled like this. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window. You can then go and load up a Safari browser. Now once you're in Safari, you need to go and force close the app. So if you just swipe upwards like this, you can then go and swipe up on Safari and it will force close out of the application. Now once you've done this, come back over to your main settings page, scroll to the bottom and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see Safari and go and click on this. Now scroll down to Clear History and Website Data and make sure all history is selected and press Clear History. Now once you've done that, that's how to clear your history in Safari on your iPhone.